Why do you love succulents? I love succulent plants so much because I can explore my artistic side of me by showing artwork inspired by these plants. I love succulents because they symbolize many positive things that could apply to your life. According to some experts in Western culture, succulents represent eternal and everlasting love due to their uncanny ability to persevere in harsh environments. In Asian culture, they represent stability. Water symbolizes wealth in the interior design practice of Feng Shui, which seeks to arrange items in a way that best manipulates energy. Since succulents can hold much water, they signify good financial fortunes. Hi, this is Four-Lit Sky. Welcome to Four-Lit Sky Arts and Architecture, where I share my skills and knowledge in gardening, painting, and other DIY projects. If you haven't already, please subscribe to help me grow my channel, click the like button, share this video with others, and leave a comment so we can connect. Welcome to second to the last episode of my backyard DIY cabana construction. In this video, I will show you how I created the focal point of my cabana using cuttings from my existing succulent collections and incorporating my new 2023 succulent collections into the design. In my previous video, I shared how I created the main frame of this vertical tapestry. Today, I will install the succulent in this case. The design is basically to create a succulent centerpiece or living wall art around this old metal clock frame. When making this arrangement, there's no absolute right or wrong. It depends on what pleases my eyes. On day 14, I cut lots of pink blanket sedum to cover the background of my tapestry. Since this task occupied most of our time, I had my sister help me while arranging the center of my art creation. I started installing my echeverias and arranged them in the center accordingly. On day 16, installing varieties of succulents for my tapestry continues. This time, I incorporated sedum burro's tail and another type of sedum to fill in the gaps, and I installed hortias across each other to add more varieties. On this day, we finished the whole succulent wall tapestry. On day 17, the plan has changed for my planter box at the bottom of the centerpiece. I decided to remove the arrangement I did in my previous video. Instead, I decided to make this a home for my 2023 new succulent collections to watch these babies' growing progress. Here is how I made the arrangement. And finally, my creation is done. Here is the finished centerpiece of my backyard DIY cabana. It took us 3 days to complete. It required patience and perseverance, but the result was so worth it. Knowing that while we are enjoying soaking in our hot tub, this will be the view that we will definitely enjoy for a long time. It is very soothing and relaxing. And that's it for today, guys. Please watch our next and future episodes until we reveal the finished project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following videos.